Hello everybody, welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash and today we're going to be taking a look at what's happening with Bitcoin and discuss what we can expect from the rest of the week. Before we get into that, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. Just give me a second, it's loading. There you go, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to stay updated to the hottest trends in the crypto market, make sure to also click on the bell icon. You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangyako with a 0 at the end. You have this links here which takes you to my YouTube channel. This one takes me to my Telegram channel. So if you're interested in the content that I put out, that is a weekly update on what to expect from the market and that kind of stuff, please make sure to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get into Bitcoin, right? Since our last discussion, a lot of things have changed, right? So let me just give you a brief overview of what's happened, right? There's this range here extending from 32.4K to 17.6K. I was expecting Bitcoin price to kind of go above the August month's low at 19.5K and then like continue going up, right? I was expecting something like this. 200-week SMA and probably something like this. This is what I expected, but things seem to have changed quite a bit, right? The price has been consolidating in this triangle that you see here for roughly a week now, and if you just use a theoretical forecasting methods, it just predicts that in a bearish breakout, the price will go down to 17.3K. In a bullish breakout, the price will go down to 20.5K. Now that isn't something interesting, right? But what's interesting is the bearish breakout that you see here, right? If the price does go down first and sweep the June 18th lows at 17.600, then it's a pretty good context for the price to move up, right? Because market makers, for now, what I'm expecting is, actually I was hoping for the price to kind of go up after collecting liquidity resting here. And since we've already exhausted liquidity resting below these lows, there was no reason for the price to kind of hover here. But now that it's kind of doing that, it kind of makes me wonder, right? Like yesterday, I tweeted out saying that the price action, right, this whole consolidation that's been happening right now, kind of reminds me of May and July 2021 price action. So let me just quickly share that here. Right, so you see this consolidation that happened here, right? Price, there was quite a bit of liquidity resting below all of these lows here, but then the price moved down here, corrected liquidity resting below these lows, and then formed equal lows, right? On some exchanges, it formed equal low, on some exchanges, it swept below that. And then finally, we had the third tap here, which pushed the price up, basically from roughly 30K to 69K, right? And we see this particular consolidation here, which was a very simple ascending triangle setup, right? It formed that, and then the price started rallying up, right? So both of these, right, this one that happened in 2019 and the one that happened in 2021, is so what's happening right now kind of reminds me of those consolidations. So this is why I kind of tweeted that even if we go up from here to 25K, 30K, it wouldn't really be surprising to me. Right, but that said, right, I do have to mention that my macro thesis for Bitcoin is still bearish, which can be seen in this particular chart right here. As you can see here, I am expecting, so honestly, like the last time I discussed this, or the last time I showed this particular chart here, I mentioned that the price was supposed to kind of bounce off of here, like at roughly 18.6K, form some sort of a double bottom and then go up. Potentially fill the form some sort of a W pattern here at 29K, but there was a possibility that the price could reverse around 24K, 25K, right? That's and the macro bottom, as I predicted in a lot of my videos, is supposed to happen somewhere from 12K to 13.6K, 13.5K. So this outlook is still valid, right? But this one's still in play. I'm still expecting something like this kind of happen, just right. So a W pattern here, right, something like this. I'm still expecting this to happen as well. Like we could even go down from here. It doesn't have to be from here. We could go down from here, right? So basically, this is my whole take on Bitcoin. So what you should expect from the rest of the week is, like, for now, like since it's Monday, you just wait for the price to give price some freedom to move around, set a range. And then once we have the Monday's range and the Monday's range, which is Monday's low and Monday's high, then we can kind of look around, right? But for now, I think the most popular idea among crypto Twitter and a lot of traders that I've seen is basically they're all expecting a sweep of June 18th lows. So wait for the price to come down to June 18th lows, and then start to bid. I've already placed some orders here and even below this level here. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for the price to come down. Until then, I think I'm gonna all the long positions that I have opened, which was Doge, ETH, 1 inch, Bitcoin, right? All of these long positions are still open, and I placed my stop loss at break even, right? So at entry point, so there's no loss that I'm gonna encounter even if the price does go down to 17K, right? So basically that's my plan. Just wait for the price to come down below 17.6K, sweep that, recover. Once I see a recovery, I'm gonna open long positions for a lot of altcoins. Right, and my primary objective is Dogecoin, which I'll be explaining in the following video. So if you enjoyed this analysis of Bitcoin, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.